We shouldn't need evidence or logic to know who's family and who isn't. I know who the Smiths are. I've known Beth since high school. And her husband, Sleepy Gary, is hands down my absolute best friend.
Thanks, Jerry.
I'm not used to being this unsure for this long. I'm just gonna aim for shoulders, starting with the weird girl.
Grandpa Rick!
Hold still, Summer.
Rick, that is my daughter.
Oh yeah, well what if you just think that, Sleepy Gary? I've known you for 15 years. Don't make me hurt you.
Rick, these are the people we barbecue with. Have you forgotten the barbecue?
Rick, you love those barbecues, Rick.
Remember the barbecue!
Remember the barbecue!
You know what, Pencilvester? Took me my whole life to realize it, but I love barbecuing.
Wow! Hey, everybody, let's give it up for the grill master, Rick! 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 Rick!
Rick,